Hi, I have a business opportunity of exporting. Hi, my name is Sumit and I'm from Indian Institute of E-commerce. I have about 15 years of experience, not 15. And this is the business of the plug and play e-commerce export business of storage tanks, drums, containers. This is a very high profit business and this goes in bulk quantity. I'll provide you the suppliers of these products. We just have to simply list these products in e-commerce marketplace. I'll help you in this. I'll give you the e-commerce store where the products are already there. This is a ready-made business as I told you. So a lot of these products have got good demand globally. For example, these drums, plastic drums, they are mostly used by industries and they are not sold on one or two pieces. They are sold as like 100,000 pieces and all. So this can be a great business opportunity if we start selling them from India, barrels, especially the wine barrels, for example. So these are a regular requirement. People just don't buy this for that industrial use, but it is also for recreational uses. A lot of restaurants may be using this for show also. For same way, if you get started with a business where you can list all these things, you can expect start getting sales. This is a B2B business and making 5 to 6 crore rupees per month is quite easy in this. I will be giving you the e-commerce store with the plug and play business model. So now let's explore what exactly is the opportunity. So I give you 100% guarantee on the e-commerce sales with my certified e-commerce professional program. I'll be teaching you digital marketing and online sales in this so that you can have complete understanding of how to build an e-commerce store, how to do global trade, how to do drop shipping without you buying the products, because I know buying the product itself is the most expensive thing. So since you're into e-commerce, you will be mainly focusing on drop shipping. So this all products can be drop shipped because these are high ticket products. I'll be teaching you how to create contents for social media and how to sell them. Different formats of contents like ebooks and white papers, case studies. Along with these 17 certifications, you'll be getting practical training also. So all inclusive in this all-in-one program that you will have access for lifetime access, update and support from our team members, all inclusive in the single program. So the students who are willing to start their career now, I suggest them to start with e-commerce and digital marketing because that is a safe future and you will be able to master the art of doing sales and you will make the skills that can make you independent. Yes, and if you're a working professional, you can switch from your boring job to something which can help you to start your own business. Even if it's part-time entrepreneurship, you can slowly venture full-time. Same way, it's not just about getting started with the storage tanks product only. All these are the list of products that I have, but here at IIC we have covered many more topics and business niches. So if you're interested to start a business of any other thing also, you are free to start that business. So these are the different niches which are having very high demand and you can get started with a high demand business opportunity like this, which will be a plug and play store that I'll be giving you, and you can simply get started with sales. In 2 to 3 months you're going to start making profits. So this business opportunity that I'm giving you comes with an all-in-one program that includes certification plus mentorship plus e-commerce store builder plus digital marketing softwares. Yes, more than 6,000 plus entrepreneurs have already learned and built their e-commerce store successfully with IIC. IIC is the Government of India's Ministry of Education supported public-private partnership under NEET AICTE. So everything is included in this program so that you can learn and build your e-commerce business. Now let's get started with this ready-made plug-and-play business where you will be selling these products. As I said that I'll be providing the entire business from my side, the supplier's contact, the buyer's data, plus the training support and how to find more buyers and how to do digital marketing. So you can get started with this e-commerce business without holding these inventories. So now this whole business should cost about 50-60 lakh rupees if you get started by yourself. But here, since I'm also having my own e-commerce store where I have been running successfully, so I'll be giving you this e-commerce store builder that you are seeing right now so that you can customize this e-commerce store and start generating revenue by just having your own domain name. You can add your own staff members and you can also directly collect payment globally from customers to your bank account. Same like how I'm selling my products here, you'll be adding your products and you can start selling. For now, the mentorship cost is quite less and this comes with lifetime access, and you can also go for this plug and play store builder plus the database and complete end-to-end solution, which will be this much only. And here, if you have to enroll, I will be giving an additional offer where you can just simply log in and you can see credit card based EMI option. So if you click here and go for the credit card option, the monthly EMI will be less than 5,000 rupees so that you can get started with this ready-made plug and play e-commerce business quickly. And the reason to start this business is, if you see in Amazon.com, these products are already been listed and they're sold at very high prices. The same product, what you're seeing right now here. This hardly cost about 650 rupees or 250 rupees. This is like, these are the prices. But if you see in Amazon.com, you see that it is getting sold at $121. So that is the kind of profitability you can make. But yeah, the sizes may be different, but still it is quite high. You can make good amount of profits in this. Same if you see wooden barrels here in Etsy.com. Here you can get these wooden barrels at a rate of 4,000, 6,000 rupees, 11,000 rupees, and you can resell them at a very good price because these are priced high. And this is Lazada, Singapore's based website. Here also you can see these products which are plastic containers are getting sold. Same way Rakuten, this is Japan's website. Here also you can see. So plastic containers in any form, tanks or anything that is related to storage will always have demand. So this is noon.com. This is Singapore's website Lazada. This is Rakuten Japan. This is Etsy.com. So I suggest you to get started with a business which is high profit, high margin, and you are not holding any inventory. You are simply getting the sales and you are keeping your margins between the buying and supply. That means you're working as a mediator in this. So to get started with this business, join this program today and let's connect over one-on-one sessions where I can guide you further on how to build this business successfully.